Hello everyone, my name is Val and welcome back to my channel. I am back to school, as you can see from the blackboard behind me. In today's video, I'd like to show you a very simple ESL game that you can use as a warm-up activity on your first week of school. It is a great game to play if you want to know more about your students or if you want to introduce yourself to the students. Before I explain the rules of the game, I would like to give a shout out to my patron Martina. Martina, you are gold! Thank you very much for supporting my channel. Here's how you play it. Write 3 statements about yourself on the blackboard. 2 statements must be facts or truths, and 1 statement must be a lie. Ask your students to guess which statement is the lie. Now, in lower grades, you can ask your students just to guess the statement, just to guess the lie, sorry. But in higher grades, you can ask your students to ask you questions to catch you in a lie. Let me show you an example. All right, so let me write 3 statements about myself. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. 1. I can play the guitar. 2. I have a sister. 3. I have lived in China for 20 years. Ta-da! So now you can guess which statement is the lie, or you can ask me questions to catch me in the lie. So you can ask questions like, what musical instrument can you play? How long have you been playing the guitar? Where did you learn to play the guitar? What kind of guitar do you play? And so on. Or you can say, you have a sister, huh? What is your sister's name? How old is your sister? Do you get along? Like what year did you come to China? How long have you been in China? So different things. There are different ways you can engage your students in this game. And then, they can guess the correct, they can guess the lie, sorry. So in this case, which statement do you think is the lie, huh? Which one is the lie? So since it's an example, I'm going to tell you statement number 2 is a lie. I don't have a sister. I have a brother. But yes, I can play the guitar, and yes, I have lived in China for 20 years. Ta-da! You don't need anything to play this game. All you need is a piece of chalk and a blackboard. However, I do use a PPT template to play this game because writing takes time. And every second counts in class. Of course you can write it on the board, but then I don't want to be thinking of, facts and lies on the spot, because you may hesitate, it may take longer than you expected, and this you'll be losing precious time, and also you may lose your students. They may lose interest in what you're doing. Let me show you my PPT template. Also, I'm going to give you 3 more statements about myself. The first person who can tell me which statement is the lie is going to get this PPT template for free. I'm going to email it to you. Also, I want to make a quick note that this PPT template is available to my patrons. So if you like what you see here, please consider becoming my patron. All the links are in the description below.
Here is the game template. So as you can see here, there are 4 slides here. So if we take a look at this slide, we're gonna see 3 statements. And as you can see, you can insert your own text here. Now, which one is the truth and which one is the lie? Let's zoom out a little bit, and here you can see 3 rectangles. So the green one corresponds to the facts. So A, the first one is to A, the second one is the lie and it corresponds to B, and the third one is the truth or a fact and it corresponds to C. So let's take a look how it works. We have 3 statements here, and one of them is a lie. So you do it in whatever way you want in your classroom, but if you want the answer to be revealed, you click on this rectangle. So if I click on it, it tells me that this statement is a fact, is the truth. If I click on this rectangle, it tells me that this is the lie. And if I click on the third rectangle, it reveals that this statement is the truth. Find the lie. Let's take a look at these statements. One of them is the lie. Which statement is the lie? A. I am 45 years old. B. I speak 4 languages. C. I have never met my father. Which statement is the lie? Please let me know in the comment section below.
I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe and smash that bell icon to turn the notifications on so you never ever miss a single upload. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!